teledrama Let the Love Begin, the political sitcom Naku, Boss Ko, and the 2016 remake of the fantasy series Encantadia. In Encantadia, Garcia portrayed the breakout role of Sangre Elena, originally played by Karil, elevating her and her co-stars' celebrity status. The love team continued to collaborate in another television drama, Sherlock Jr., but in 2018, Garcia's protagonist character unexpectedly died in the middle of the series, marking the end of Garcia and Madrid's on-screen love team. At the same year, Garcia starred in her first television drama outside the former love team through Pamilya Roses with Gloria Diaz and Carla Abellana. In 2019, she starred in the revenge drama series Beautiful Justice with Bea Binene and Yasmin Kurdi. Garcia has since stated that she prefers a variety of leading men as opposed to a single long-term love team. In the promotions for